My name is Sean Eckhart. I'm a controls engineer with CNC Solutions in Johnson Creek, Wisconsin. We provide material handling solutions primarily to the metalworking industry. We have been around since 2001 with an initial focus on machine tool enhancements, which ranges from lighting to hydraulic clamping systems. Over the years, we've gone through a transition to meet the changing needs of the market by implementing a high level of robotic automation for our customers. Our company recognized the special impact of the labor shortage to the small job shop market, where not having labor could mean not being able to take extra work or new customers. Their ability to expand and grow becomes severely limited by this. Lindex Nicken noticed this also and has partnered with us as our exclusive sales and distribution network. The market focus is a high-mix, low-volume type job shop. On any given day, they may run a handful to just a few hundred different part numbers. These needs is what led to the innovative concept of the tender system we're showcasing today. This system's main design goals were extreme ease of use with an emphasis on reduced to almost no robotic programming knowledge. This ease of use starts at the installation, then to setup, and finally the operator of the system, leaving an overall excellent user experience. To create this user experience and achieve our product goals, we expanded upon our 7-year relationship with B&R. The hardware we're using is a 15.6-inch widescreen multi-touch panel PC, 2100 on a swing arm, P3 servo drives for the rotary part tables, X20 I/O, and an X20 safety processor to bring the light curtains, floor scanner, robot, and safe motion of the servo drives together. The B&R panel PC on the swing arm mount provides the user the ability for easy setup of the robot gripper by rotating the screen so it can be seen from the robot side of the system. The X20 I/O and safety processor allows for an easily integrated safety system with a modular approach. This modularity allows the flexibility for the customer to easily choose or add at a later date the amount of rotary tables they require to meet their production needs. For more information, please visit cncsolutions.llc.com.